Today I will explain Tutorial 1, which is about sampling and data. In this tutorial, we mostly solve tasks, not just theory. The tasks help us understand how statistics works in real studies. I will explain the logic behind these questions step by step. First, we need to understand what a statistician does. A statistician decides what data should be collected. They collect data and analyze it carefully. But a statistician does not make decisions. They only provide results. Descriptive statistics only describe the data we already have. There is no generalization to a bigger group. We usually use percentages, averages, or charts. For example, saying that 75% of students prefer online learning is descriptive. Inferential statistics use sample data to talk about a population. This means we make conclusions about a larger group. It is based on probability and estimation. For example, a national survey about teenagers is inferential statistics. A population is the whole group we are interested in. A sample is a smaller part taken from the population. We use samples because studying everyone is expensive and slow. The sample must represent the population well. A statistic is a number calculated from a sample. A parameter is a number that describes a population. Statistics are used to estimate parameters. For example, sample average, GPA, is a statistic. A variable is what we measure in a study. It can change from one person to another. Data are the actual values we collect. For example, height is a variable and numbers are data. There are different ways to choose a sample. Simple random sampling gives everyone the same chance. Stratified sampling divides people into groups. Cluster and convenient sampling are also common. Stratified sampling is used when we select from each group. Systematic sampling means choosing every kth person. Cluster sampling selects whole groups. Convenient sampling is based on easy access. Sampling saves time and money. It allows us to study large populations. Good sampling reduces bias. That is why sampling is very important in statistics. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.